This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise, we will modify objects drawn with the context modeler. Open the context modeler and select a beam, and here you'll see the reference dimensions positioning the beam. And by editing any of these values, you'll see the modification is made immediately. Once done, press Enter or right-click the mouse button to accept. This tool works on all objects drawn using the context modeler, provided the window is open. To close the selection, press the Escape key. Next, we'll adjust the position of some rafter beams. Select one you wish to reposition and edit the reference dimension. The change is made immediately, but notice that the rafter beams below were also moved. This is because they were drawn relative to the chosen beam, in the direction they were originally placed. We'll continue editing objects drawn with the context modeler, and this time we'll modify levels and make changes to the reference grid. Before we begin, activate the Auto mode. This will ensure that the Move command is constrained to the X and Y axes. Open the context modeler and click on the Draw Framing button. Click the Level options to open the Modify Levels window. Select one of the intermediate levels from the list, modify the height and press OK. Notice that all the steelwork on the selected level has been adjusted to reflect the new elevations. The relevant vertical bracing has also been updated. We'll continue to adjust the levels by selecting Eaves. And again, modify the level. Note that all the columns have been extended, but the rafter slope has been reduced because we haven't changed the apex height. We'll fix this now by selecting Apex and increasing the height by the same amount as for the eaves, and this will restore the rafter geometry. Note that as the levels are modified, all connections were automatically updated to suit any revised geometry. Next, we'll modify the grid. Select the Move command from the top menu and select one of the grid lines. Once done, press Enter or right-click the mouse button. Then move the cursor to an empty spot to indicate the direction you wish to move. Enter a new reference dimension value and press Enter or right-click the mouse button to accept. All structural members connected to the chosen grid line have been moved and automatically adjusted. And note that the vertical bracing geometry has also been updated. Alternatively, you may enter the move values at the command line prompt. For example, type the @ symbol followed by -1500, 0 and press Enter. This will move the grid line 1500 mm on the x-axis and 0 on the y. The @ symbol means that the grid line is to move relative to its current position. The value may be preceded by a minus symbol, which will determine the direction of movement. There are other exercises with each Parabuild installation, and if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.